Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Goes to 11 Vise Squad, sponsored by Dr. Slick Scissors and Togan's Fly Shop. Today I'm going to be tying a Undertaker for you on a size 6 Togan hook. The thread I'm going to be using is just a UTC and 70 denier. I'm going to put a tag in this guy. First tag is going to be some gold mylar. So to get the gold side, you're going to want the silver side facing you. Three to 4 turns is all you need. Want to make sure that's tied in good. So you'll leave a little bit of tag there, we'll call that, for slippage. Alright, next we're going to get some green floss. Just lost my wax, but that's alright. And again, you only need a couple turns. Come in here now, trim that away. Get some wax back on my finger. Hopefully it stays this time. Make sure that's lashed down there good. Next we're going to get some Chinese red floss, and you're just going to wrap it in the same way as you did with the green. Do nothing fancy with it, just wrap it. Now there's many different variations of the Undertaker, this fly, so you know, you can watch this video, guys, and go on, you know, Google or something. It'd be a totally different pattern and how to tie it. This is just the way I tie it, or I was shown how to tie it. So what I did was just, this next step is optional. If you don't want to use wire, you don't have to. But I'm just going to put a small gold wire in. And when you're cutting wire, if you can, just pick up an old cheap pair of tying scissors. You don't want to use your expensive tying scissors cutting wire. I'm just going to catch this underneath the shank of the hook. Put a half hitch in there. I'll explain why in a second. So for the body, you can either use Peacock curl or dubbing. It's up to yourself. So I'm going to tie this Peacock curl in. I want to make sure that's tied in good. Now I'm going to put another half hitch in. Now, if you have a vise, what you'll do is you're going to take your Peacock, you're going to spin your vise onto your tying thread, like so. But if you don't have a newer vise, that's fine, because you can still tie it in the traditional way of how you would tie peacock herl in. We're just going to make some wraps up and down the shank of the hook. Catch that in with my tying thread like so. Make sure I got it all locked down. Get my scissors, trim it away. Now I'm just going to tidy up here. I'm going to move my tying thread rearward just so I can give enough space between the eye hook. And the next I'm going to wrap my gold ribbon. And like I said, it's optional, you don't have to use wire. Now for the wing we're going to use some black bear, and if you don't have any you can certainly use squirrel. I'm just going to pick it with all the loose ends here. Tidy up as much as we can. I really want that wing to sit on the body. Now we're going to put a little thorax on this guy, throat. Just going to be some black strung saddle hackle, nothing special. Tidy up. And whip finish. Thanks for watching this video. Please remember to give this video a like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the reminder bell for future episodes. Also check out our store at fishingandoutdoors.ca for all your tokens fly tying needs. Until next time.